Hey there everyone, this is Piyush. Welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I am going to discuss a sorting algorithm, that is bubble sort. First of all, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll be uploading more videos in future related to programming, and also join my Telegram channel from the link in the description for more updates. Now let's begin. Suppose we have an array A like this, 1, 10, 5, 6, 0, and we want to sort it using bubble sort algorithm. So the pseudo code for this algorithm will be like this. For I 0 to n minus 2, that is 0 to 3, if ith element is greater than I plus 1th element, then swap both of them. Now let's try to visualize it, how it will be executed in an array. At first I is equal to 0, so we will compare the element at 0 index and 1 index, that is 1 and 10. So 1 is not greater than 10, so leave it. Now moving further, I is equal to 1, so compare element at 1 index and 2 index. 10 is greater than 5, so swap them. Now a new array will be like this: 1, 5, 10, 6, 0. Now moving further, I will be 2, and the element at second index is 10, and element at 2 plus 1 third index will be 6, and we will compare 10 and 6, so 10 is greater than 6, so swap them. And the new array will be like this: 1, 5, 6, 10 and 0. After this, I will be 3, and the element at index 3 is 10, and it will be compared by the element at 3 plus 1, that is 4th index, that is 0, and 10 is greater than 0, so swap them. Now you will know that why the loop runs from I is equal to 0 to I is equal to n minus 2, that is 3, because when I will be 4, it will be compared by I plus 1, that is 5th index, and there is no element at index 5, so there will be an error. Now you can observe that the greatest element is at the last position of the array. So we have to repeat the whole step n times so that every element will be at its correct position. In this algorithm, the greatest element always moves to the right side of the array, and whenever this inner loop finishes, the array gets sorted from its end side. Now let's try to demonstrate it once more. According to the algorithm, 6 should move to the second last position now. Let's see what happens. This is our new array 1, 5, 6, 0, 10. And the inner loop will run again since it will be repeated n times. So again I is equal to 0, and the element at index 0 is 1, and 1 will be compared to 5, no swap. Again 5 will be compared to 6, no swap. 6 will be compared to 0, and 6 and 0 will be swapped, and our new array will be 1, 5, 0, 6, 10. After this, I will be 3, and element at index 3 is 6, so 6 will be compared to element at index 4, that is 10. Since 6 is not greater than 10, so it will not be swapped, and the inner loop finishes. So alright, 6 is at second last position. Now we will see the coding part. As always, I will be using VS Code for this, and if you don't use VS Code, you should. And if you don't know how to install and set up this, I have already made a video on this. You can check the link in the description. But after watching this video, if you have not joined my Telegram channel yet, join it now from the link in the description. The code file will also be there. You can try to run it in your PC. You will learn more if you do it on your own. So I am skipping this coding part here. You can download the file from the Telegram channel. There is one more thing to explain here. First, let's try to run this code. So this is our final code. Now let's try to run it. Open up the terminal. Now compile the code, make bubble. So you can see the array. You can see the array after every inner loop finishes, and at final stage the array is 0, 1, 5, 6, 10. This means the code works fine. The array is sorted. Here one thing you can observe, that after some executions there are no swap occurring in the array. This means we have to minimize the number of executions, and our algorithm will be more efficient. Now let's try to implement it using the flag technique. The thing that we have to do here, that if there is no swap occurs, we have to break the outer loop. So I am declaring a flag variable with 0 value out of the loop body of inner loop, and inside the if condition, if there is any swap occurs in the array, then a flag will be 1. And after the inner loop finishes, I have to make a check that if the flag is 0 or 1. If the flag is 0, this means no swap occurred in the array this time. This means the array is sorted. So break the outer loop and the array will be sorted, and the algorithm will be more efficient this time than the previous one. There is one more modification that you can do as a homework. As I have already explained, that the array in the bubble sort algorithm gets sorted from its end side. So after every execution, the inner loop should not run always from I is equal to 0 to I is equal to n minus 2. There will be always less number of execution than the previous one. So you can implement this on your own. You can try it as a homework. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like it, and do share it with your friends. I will be back with some more related videos, and keep following the channel for more. See you next time.